Wow, it's been a while. I believe it's been 11 months at this point since I've uploaded a video on this channel, and I'm back with math. Yes, you guys do not want math, you want more gaming videos, more live streams, but I'll do that another time. Right now, I have a math project to get done. And so this is a video on trigonometry. I'm going to roll the first clip, and I will be back after it is over.
Play of the game.
I am back just like I said, and I will now read to you the problem. It reads as such. Mercy has to revive her ally. She stands 12 meters from their position. She begins floating, looking down at her ally. She is 24 meters diagonally from her ally. What is the angle of depression she makes from the sky? Now, if you know how to draw this, and you have done trigonometry before, and you know SOHCAHTOA, this will be a walk in the park for you. So I will give the next 30 seconds for everyone to solve this problem. Well met, I am back. Your time is up, and my time is now. That was a John Cena reference. If you did not catch it, you know it was funny. Please laugh. Thank you for your laughter. I will now explain to you how your picture should look and how to solve the problem. That was another joke, because your picture should look like the one that was shown previously. Yes, I am going to become a comedian after this. Thank you. In order to solve it, you need to know basics in trigonometry such as SOHCAHTOA. As long as you are aware that the side opposite of x is the opposite, the side right next to x is the adjacent, and the side opposite of the right angle is the hypotenuse, you are fine. With these statements, you can understand that 12 meters is the opposite, and 24 meters is the hypotenuse. You will then set it up in sine format because of OH, making so in SOHCAHTOA. The equation will then be sine theta, or x, equals 12 divided by 24. 12 divided by 24 equals 0.5. You will then put into your calculator sine -1 equals, in parentheses, 0.5, and x will come out to 30 degrees. Your answer will be 30 degrees. I will now be reading Part B. Part B reads as such. An enemy stands over Mercy's ally. They look up at Mercy to attack her. What is the angle of elevation that they make with the ground? It is almost identical to the previous problem. However, the x angle has been replaced, and it is no longer the angle of depression, it is now the angle of elevation. And it is no longer x, it is a different thing. You may put it whatever you want, just don't put x because you will get confused. I will give another 30 seconds in order to solve this one. 30 seconds, starting now. Your time is up. You should now have the answer. I will now check and see if you did the work right. Please follow along on your paper or on the diagram that you have drawn. Based on what I have said previously about trigonometry and SOHCAHTOA, you should understand that you are using adjacent and hypotenuse for this one due to the problem changing to a different position. The angle of elevation is in the corner to the ground, which means 12 is now the adjacent and 24 is still the hypotenuse, making it AH or Ka in SOHCAHTOA, meaning we are using cosine. You will set it up as cosine theta or y equals 12 over 24. 12 over 24 equals 0.5. Type in cosine negative 1 parenthesis 0.5 parenthesis equals into your calculator and you will get 60 degrees. Y equals 60 degrees.
Guys, this is a little cut I made after the video was over. I'm going to show you guys what your work should look like in your calculator, just in case you're confused. So the first thing you should know is that in part A, it's sine. So you're going to do 12 divided by 24. You're going to get 0.5 right there. Click your calculator after that. And then it's going to be 0.5 and sine negative 1. You should have 30 degrees for that. And for part B, it's the same thing again for the setup. So 12 divided by 24, that equals 0.5. Play your calculator, and then you're going to do 0.5 cosine negative 1. You'll get 60 degrees. So that's how you do the work.
And now we will resume watching the clip at the beginning and see what happens when Mercy tries to revive her ally.
Heroes never die for a price.
And she died in the end. That proves that self-sacrifice is needed for the greater cause sometimes. I would now like to thank Ghost Dog Gaming for letting me use this clip in my school presentation. Her channel will be in the description below. That is the end now. Farewell to you guys. Make a spot off.
Hey guys, it's me. Now that Megaspot is gone, I can get to the last part of the video. For the last part, I'd just like to thank you guys for sticking around until the end and watching this video. It really does make me feel good, you know, knowing that someone actually watched the end of my video and didn't just skip around in it. I appreciate that. And now I think I'm just going to end it right here. So, yes, I will see you around the internet.